All right, we are here at Fleet Farm, and I still need some GoPro batteries. And here's a 4-amp battery at Fleet Farm. You can see that $159 for this. Of course, it has a theft device on it and everything like that. And they go up from there. $179, $239. So, instead of grabbing that, I have one of these. I already have one. But what the heck, you know, look. What? Whoops, that's the wrong one. She's touching me on... Candy was tapping me on the shoulder. I was like, what? What? Is someone looking or something? She's like, no, you're looking at the wrong thing. I was like, oh, okay. So look, you get this, which like I said, I already have one for $189. It comes with another charger, which I got plenty of those, a bag, and the 4-amp charger. I don't know how they do it. It's crazy, but now I'm gonna get it because it's kind of hard not to. So I'm gonna have one for my camper. I'll have a yeah. Hi everyone. Hello. You can see I already have a DEWALT 20-volt bandsaw. I'm not sure what model this is. Now, okay, DCS 371. Is this the same thing? DCS 377 Q1. So I thought I already had one like this. Maybe not. Find my knife. I would be happy if it was different. I got a lot of these. All right, another tool bag. I got so many tool bags. A blade. I can tell because it says blade on it. All right, I think this one might be smaller than the one I previously had. It is. I can tell just by looking at it. Cool. All right. Now this makes it worthwhile. So essentially, I got a charger, a tool, and a bag. And most importantly, a battery. That's what I went after. So I got all of this for $30 more than the cost of this. It's true. Yeah, buddy. This one is variable speed. So it has a 1 through 5. 1 through 5. I don't know if this has a speed control on it. I don't think this one does. Okay, this one doesn't have a speed control on it. 1 speed for that. Cool. I dig it. This has also got some kind of a... Oh. Okay. Guess I never paid attention to this. This doesn't have a cover on it. See the difference? This is open. This has a cover for it. I like that too. They got me, guys. They got me good. You guys know I'm addicted to tools, especially ones I don't have. It says a couple of things on it. That this one has a brush, where this one doesn't, has a brush right here to clean off the shavings from the blade. That's cool. Well, let's take the battery off of this one and put it on this one for now. How sweet is that? I got like 30 of these things. I only use 3 of them. I got them all stuffed in bags like this. I still have everything out on the table here. You can see it's just a mess. So I'm still working on that project, and I don't give an official cleaning until I'm completely done. Or right before paint, let's just say. Sweet. So we don't want to go a day without getting at least a little bit done, just a little bit. So we're going to put the bottom of the box. This is the box cabinet, part whatever. I'm not going to make a playlist on this one. Nope, no playlist for this one. No one watches them anyway, so yeah, it doesn't matter. All right. We are going to cut and prepare at least the bottom of the box cabinet, the box portion, get it put in. At a minimum, that's what we want to do right now. So we had to go to town. Candy had to return something new cat related that the cat didn't like. The cat's name is Charlie, but I'm a firm believer that cats do not go by their name. They go by kitty, kitty, kitty. Or if you call them their name, like this cat's name is Charlie, you have to use that pitch in your voice. You have to go, Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Make it sound like kitty, kitty, kitty. Because cats are not dogs. Yet. Although I am transitioning this particular cat a little bit maybe to be a dog. All right. There's no rhyme or reason or measurements or anything I'm taking here. I'm just gonna cut this just good enough to fit on the bottom of the box portion of this build. So let's get started. I just found out that my first DEWALT bandsaw has a handle to it to where I can hang it. I didn't know that before because I don't use it enough. Let me show you. All right, hang it right there instead of reaching up there to get it. Cool. And we're still waiting on some more hangers for my DEWALT shrine. a wire brush to this. Angle grinder wire brush, and it's still greasy. So I just the brush kind of just smudged it around a little bit, so we got to wipe that grease off of here. We did grind off the edges, got the mill scale off, so it'd be nice weld. Like you're supposed to, that I used to never do. Alright, it was really hard to get that big nozzle in there to stick this in there, but we stuck it in there. It ain't coming out. So that's good. One less thing we got to do. We got the cabinet portion down here, and now we got the box floor in. These are the steel I was able to gather for the box portion build, meaning the top of this box cabinet. So I have this is all I got, is this one piece of diamond plate, and I'm going to put it right in the front here. I have other bits and pieces of diamond plate that aren't as big and won't fit completely inside of this, on the sides of this. So I'm going to put plain on the other three sides and then dress it up with pieces and parts of diagonal diamond plate. You'll see. It'll be cool. Still have a long ways to go yet. What? You talking to me? Are you talking to me? I don't think so. You want to make a move? Now this is the second time this has happened to me within the last 2 weeks. Maybe month, I should say. 2 weeks, a month, something like in there. You can look back and see, but I got these Awesome ass DeWalt grinders for the same price as a battery. In this case, the 9-volt flex volt battery. They give you the tool for free. They gave me the tool for free. Or, you know, anybody that was there at the time could have got it. The tool for the cost of the battery. And the same thing applied today with this. This is basically free. I showed you, 30 bucks. So when you're out there shopping, if you got DeWalt 20-volt cordless tools, you need batteries, especially if you're working out in the field, especially if you're working remotely. You need lots of batteries or a generator or something to charge them with. You can use your Jackery or something like that also. So when all the shit goes down and they give you power like once a week or so, who knows what the heck is going on with this country these days. Whenever you have these types of cordless tools, it's kind of nice to be able to throw a few on the camper, throw a few in the Ranger, put a couple, if you got like I still have the 18-volt DeWalt system in my other tractor barn. I don't use those no more, and nobody wants to buy them in a yard sale or anything like that because the 20 volt's out now, right? But back when the 18-volt first came out, it was the shit. Now nobody wants it, and they don't sell it. I guess you can still get the batteries at Batteries Plus or someplace like, Amazon, whatever. But, that's the kind of tools that I put on my camper to take with me wherever, just in case of a breakdown or something. But, yeah, if you're out and about and if you have Milwaukee, I don't know if Milwaukee does it, though, because I don't have Milwaukee and I've never been looking. But, by gosh, DeWalt is... I don't know, maybe they upped the price of the battery by $100 or so, just to sell you, so you have that feeling that you got a free tool or something. I don't know. Anyway, we'll pick this up on the next video. Talk to you later.